precious. Aren't you precious, baby? Aren't you pretty girl? Aren't you pretty girl? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What is going on? What is going on?
Yeah, pretty soon you'll be going out and playing with the kids.
You're gonna play with your cousins. You're gonna play with Bobby and Jackson. They're gonna wear
We
you
gotta
out.
get her some boxing gloves so she can stay up with them.
I know. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Pretty girl. And her eyelashes are really filling in. You wanna talk? You wanna talk?
Say something.
Say
Say
hi.
something to your public. Say something to your public. It matters.
She's like, I'm trying. Nothing's coming out.
She says, I'm forming the words. Saying, oh. You said, oh.
Say, ooh. You're a pretty girl.
I gave her some of the Pedialyte.
And she likes it.
Uh-huh.
Ooh. Get on. Get on. Ah. Oh, you got talk now.
Don't keep fighting there. I got you on camera. I know. I know.
Hey there, pretty girl. Hey there, pretty girl. She's gonna figure up her nose. Oh. You wanna sit up? You wanna sit up? You wanna sit up like a big girl? Oh.
Take that blanket down so I can see her in her little outfit with her little legs. She's like, so she says she's got cute little legs.
You're a big girl.
Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness, a big.
Oh. We're gonna get fussy. We're gonna get fussy.
She's trying to get her fingers up to her mouth. Oh,
She's
goodness.
still so tired. You woke me.
It's a hard life.
You're talking?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a hard life.
She says, all this company coming in and making over me. Said it's hard to be a princess.
Did she look at her stuff today?
Yeah. I got up and I danced with her to the classical music. It said to dance with them.
Listen to that. Hey, pretty girl. I see you.
What's
just
that?
funny.
She says, what's that?
Where'd Emily go? Emily!
She says if I keep my eyes closed, wind won't go in my eye.
It's a pretty girl. It's a pretty baby. It's my pretty baby.
Okay, now.